Welcome back, folks. You're watching this right now because your Chevy tailgate is stuck closed, like this one. You can see the taillights are flashing and it is not opening. I'm gonna show you how to rescue yourself from this scenario. First things first, this is a little bit more complicated since we have a tonneau cover, but we're gonna solve this problem. Let's get ourselves a long screwdriver. We're gonna find where the tabs are for the tonneau. Right there, pop that side, and we'll do the same thing on this side. And now we've got the tonneau cover up. If you have a hard cover or one with a different operating mechanism, you may have to get creative. Now you're gonna either hop in the bed and take all these bolts out, or because this tailgate is actually working on the opening mechanism, we're just gonna fold it down for the sake of taking video. But this can be done with it facing, with the tailgate up. To get the tailgate to come down, take these 2 or 3 bolts out, reach in there and push that tab. Put the tailgate up to show you this in real life. You're gonna have to pry this panel back and go to this little metal clip right here, and you're gonna pop that up. That'll release the latch on one side. Then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. This latch will go up and the tailgate should open. Just like that. I'm gonna show you this again here. You just flip that latch up, and then the same thing on this side, and you can get your tailgate open. Open the little half tailgate. You're gonna go down here to this clip, same exact design, just in a different spot, and you're gonna flip that up. And you're gonna kinda have to do these at the same time because those wanna spring back. We'll flip this one up. There it goes. So now we are good there. As always, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.